ki gele the modo ka mbe enyi ụmụ Igbo maka ihe onye kpọbe ka ọ ga-ele ife a na-afụrọ na nne ewu afọ ya na nwa ọ na-agbagharị. That's what I want to tell everybody. If I na-akpọ transfer of aggression maka na onye ọghọrọ ọchụ onye ọ ga-eji wee mee break and ọ bụ na ndị mmadụ enwezi respect for some people that should be respected because of something, it gradually begins to make that thing lose its value. What am I trying to say? Amụma mmadụ buru odoro Chineke na mmadụ anya that it was a misconceived prophecy ka e buru wee hipụ on our priest. I want to use it to advise us, and I want to thank Ikuku for going out of his way to hold conference with the lady with the shop. Everybody watched the podcast and saw the interview, and he has come to give report because at all no were lies where they deceive them man. Here banyere ikpare priest from Enugu amanon baka kana pale. It's not a problem to me because somebody the barabo. But I just want to tell the Zion ministry and Ebuka no what test Kenya on test. And that test is what we call test of humility. And that's what we call what will qualify you to be promoted in the rank in the realm of the spirit. The next day, the auditorium is not a sign that you are getting it right. Remember, and no prophet has ever fallen for making mistake. What pulls down a prophet is error. Only have to buy into error and I way back on aga. Abroad one mistake on your. So you can still see people, you still see your money, so you still see crowd, you can still see your fame, you still see those people around, but gradually you are derailing. And you know when you're on your phone and the joy is not there. You might come out and say, hey, you will still do everything normal, but your glory is being damaged. The real way to go about this thing is for you to form a team that will initiate reconciliation. And the no one came on and bear with Saroko. Okay, when we don't know him. Oh, you budget Obadoroge, and only not your spiritual father. I know for Yananya. So, Oka, there is a disclaimer against you. Now, the devil just wants you to stand on your own without any connection to any root so that he can be able to handle you. Remember, you are dealing with kingdom of darkness. Nobody is calling you fake. Nobody is calling you false. But even an original prophet that allowed himself to be disconnected, just like a priest, he disconnect from your bishop. If in any human then in a kingdom, when they come after you, then you know that you need to be connected. Is not a thing to be toyed with. The sacrifice when let me not at the beginning days of Mbaka, ihe Chineke ji eme gịnị dịrị Igbo Ebuka dịrị na-achịkwa from ABCB ụwa na-achịtakwa 10 times before you're able to achieve it. Mbaka zụọ banana everywhere and a shake. Otu aka arụsị enwuru ọkụ. The most deadly deities in Igbo land was destroyed by Mbaka. And we don't have yet any history of any deity destroyed by you. Almost Kayamaro. Oh, Kwarike, Maria Nano Kitabo, it is obstinate in correction and about to private part in every time. In a Kirikwa pastor, in a Kirikwa how decent they are. They lawless, they careless with what you say, and people are applauding you. You can't pull him down. They are killing you. Kita na akwa na into error. Obugo na Mbaka they are against the standard. That's not the way to begin to, blow up wars. That is another day altogether. When Mbaka was asked to leave to go to monastery, every man of God that can do it. Yeah, we hear when Mbaka will do. And people they not matter half of the money. But they divide, they go back at 5,000 pieces. People not matter about one. Pride when they come and put close with the adoration. They turn not almost 2 years not up a adoration or Canada because he listens. You know you can tell on way fool. You hear any make a reward that you can imagine, and they can't only with the God that inspired all of us, including you. You need Mbaka efe. Mwe na akuo ma ayukuchukwu na-ekwu ma ofutara fanti ihe kefe ihe just no oze na akpari the very thing you stand for. So onu chọrọ itu n'izi get the apology because you nwere ike na akpọ ha afa mana nkatọ ọgaranya ka ọbụbụ ya mma. So that's what I'm saying. I'm not here to defend Mbaka, but for the mere fact that Mbaka's priesthood have been tested on the altar of obedience, ojecha anata take corrections. It means that you are not allowed to toil with him. Because you can never know the reason why God is putting you through all this. Yeah, no one mere a lesson chukwu na kuzirigi ka iwe nata aka na prophecy. Onwe ebe ya we eburu amụma ndị mmadụ gada esibefusi efu ozi with the main word of God away every day, and I say private part private part. That's not the gospel. Then we cannot connect then how will see when it will happen? The person needs a better message. Could it PM? If you how empty you are, buy a phone on the other side, buy a physical back for you. So that is it. The father didn't help you to make the prophecy. The father didn't go to discover the woman. The mother for here Baragaris or no one testimony. The video guy is on the Georgian devil deed of a Brumbaka, a Brunde father, a drop of man. Oh, yes, I can quote. You was a killer and Obunomo Boge, 18 wire. Because no, when you hear the every day, that is not the way of life. Back in Momini, the young man should go Father Keda for Father Azuria or the camera, or to a question. Back up shaking the whole world, which is prophetic, and they shaking the whole to a question every dog, ball for you, sitting on the muddy claim over here. You make a taxi over here. The father and married. So this is the reason why we beckon on everybody to wake up. And let us just believe that naturally the woman of God. I'm a prophet. I see visions. I give prophecies. They come to pass. At times, Chineke take another decision because prayer changes decisions. We keep money, you money. Chineke go see the game on we get better that in a divert without you knowing it. Chineke many also cover. Ekuchana 3 days deliver will be destroyed. At the end of the day, it didn't happen. It could be that na novelty, good news is coming. Better good news, bad news. Just your words, good news, just to love it. So only Kenya or the more we love it, yeah. Tell everybody so that is it. So because let everybody take correction. Situation say those yoku, situation say jumayo, as if ka had damage if further. Neku, then I battle Jebe. And then national blogger, Jebe until jam one in the realm of the spirit. kosi anya eze n'ọnụ ịma na ma bụrụ blọga ifuna onwere tara ife Chineke ji mee ka anyị nwee platform so that ọnụ na-eru anyị n'okwu anyị kwuo ya iche na okwu ya na-eru okwu anyị na-eru ọ bụ na ọ na-eru ịma mfe ya. So let God arise and let his enemies scatter. Mara no test ka na-enye gị, and don't pull yourself down by yourself. This is a test of humility. You have gotten all the gift, gotten all the success. Now, how humble can you be when you make mistake? That's what is your beauty. No any of your crowd that nobody give his adoration. Anybody who can stop them from coming, but don't allow them to push you. I can let people go. Be very deceptive. Crowd is very deceptive. Onye kucha afọ onye ọzọ dị si that is a paragi bayi to the gota. Parakwa baso onye kita anyị na-ewu a na-ekwu na enwe ike ma ghọta ya na-ekarịga egwu nwoke na-akarị egwu na-akarịkwa egwu as long as you are the world a na-akarịkwa egwu akarị. God bless you.